Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted emails from your Yahoo account. Let's begin. First, open your browser and head over to yahoo.com, log into your account, and once you are on the home page, click on your profile icon right over here on the top right corner, then choose Help. You will be given options. Just go to Mail, then go to Recover Lost or Deleted Emails. Left clicked, and you will be given options over here. Just choose Send a Restore Request. Now, a form will appear. Just simply fill out everything over here, which best describes your issue and when was the last time you see this missing messages or emails. And make sure to enter your accurate Yahoo ID. Okay. And once submitted, Yahoo will review your request and try to restore your emails. Just remember, they can only recover messages deleted within the last 7 days. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.